3 AI video tools, 3 completely different outputs. And if you pick the wrong one for your use case, you're going to spend money on a platform that produces nothing close to what you actually need. HeyGen generates talking head avatar videos where an AI presenter delivers your script. Runway generates cinematic footage from text and image prompts. Pika generates fast, stylized, effects-driven clips built for social media. They don't compete for the same user. They serve different production needs entirely. I'm going to break all 3 down in detail, show you exactly what each one does and how it works, and tell you precisely who should be using each one. Let's get into it. HeyGen, the avatar and translation platform. HeyGen is the platform you use when you need a person or a realistic AI version of a person to appear on screen and deliver a script. That's the core product. Everything else is built around that. Here's exactly how it works. Go to heygen.com and log into your account. On the dashboard, you'll see a Create Video button. Click that and you're in the video editor. The interface has 3 main panels: the scene editor in the center, the avatar and voice controls on the left, and the script panel. First, you select your avatar. Click the Avatar section on the left panel, and you get a library of over 100 pre-built avatars. Different appearances, ages, presentation styles, professional and casual settings. Scroll through and click one to select it. The avatar appears in your scene preview in the center of the screen. Next, go to the script panel and type or paste your script into the text field. Select the voice you want. HeyGen has its own voice library, and you can also upload a voice clone if you've created one. Once your script is in and your voice is selected, hit the Generate button. HeyGen processes the video and delivers a finished MP4 of that avatar speaking your script with accurate lip sync, natural head movement, and expression. The feature that sets HeyGen apart from every other platform in 2026 is Video Translate. On your dashboard, look for the Video Translate option in the left sidebar. Click it. Then click Upload Video. Drop in any video file, something you created in HeyGen, or a video you recorded yourself on camera. Once it's uploaded, you'll see a language selection dropdown. Select your target language. HeyGen supports over 175 languages and dialects, and click Translate. HeyGen re-renders the audio in the target language, preserves the voice characteristics of the original speaker, and resyncs the lip movement on the video to match the translated audio. The result is a version of your video that looks and sounds like it was originally recorded in that language. The April 2026 update introduced Avatar V, their newest avatar generation model. To access it, when you're in the Avatar selection panel, filter by Avatar V in the top filter bar. These avatars generate in approximately 15 seconds and produce higher realism than previous models, with more natural micro-expressions and movement. HeyGen also released the Video Agent feature, which lets you type a plain English prompt, something like, "Create a 2-minute explainer video about our project management software," and HeyGen generates a complete structured video, including scene layout, script, and avatar delivery from that single prompt. To create a custom avatar, called a digital twin, go to Avatars in your dashboard. Click Create Avatar, and follow the recording instructions. You record a short video of yourself, or whoever the avatar will represent, following specific guidelines around lighting, background, and movement. Submit the recording, and HeyGen processes it. The turnaround is typically a few hours, and delivers a reusable avatar that looks and sounds like the person recorded. Where HeyGen has limits, the creative range is narrow. You get an avatar presenting to camera in a scene. You cannot use HeyGen to generate an outdoor environment, a product shot, an abstract visual, or any footage that isn't a person speaking. If your production needs go beyond talking head video, HeyGen is not the tool for those elements. Pricing starts at $29 a month on the Creator Plan, which includes unlimited standard avatar video generation. Custom avatar creation is a one-time $99 fee per avatar. Runway, the cinematic generation platform. Runway is what you use when you need footage, environments, scenes, motion, atmosphere, visual storytelling, generated by AI. There is no avatar, No script-to-speech pipeline. The output is video clips that look like they were shot with a real camera. Go to runwayml.com and log in. On your dashboard, you'll see the main generation options. The primary one you'll use is text-to-video, or image-to-video depending on your starting point. Click Text-to-Video to open the generation interface. The generation panel has a large text field where you write your prompt. This is where you describe the scene you want. Runway responds to specific visual language. Don't just describe what the subject is, describe how it looks, how it moves, and how the camera relates to it. A prompt like, a glass perfume bottle on a white marble surface, slow camera push forward, warm side lighting, shallow depth of field, soft reflections, will produce a significantly better result than a perfume bottle on a table. Spend time on the prompt. It's the primary control you have over the output. Below the prompt field, you'll see the motion and camera controls. This is where Runway's Gen 4 model separates itself from earlier versions. You can specify camera movement directly. Pan left, tilt up, push in, pull back, orbit, using the camera controls drop-down. Select the movement type, set the intensity using the slider, and that camera behavior is applied to your generated clip. For commercial and cinematic content where specific camera language is part of the visual design, this level of control is meaningful. The Act 2 feature works differently from standard text-to-video. Instead of generating footage from a prompt, Act 2 lets you upload a real video of a person, yourself, a client, and actor, performing a specific movement or expression, and Runway maps that performance onto a generated character in a generated scene. To use it, click Act 2 in the generation options, upload your reference video, describe the character and scene you want in the prompt field. The output is a video of an AI-generated character performing the movement captured in your reference footage, placed in the generated environment. Video inpainting lets you edit existing video by removing or replacing elements. Open an existing video clip in Runway's editor. Use the brush tool to paint over the element you want to remove. An object in the background, a logo on a surface, a person in the frame, and Runway fills that area based on the surrounding visual context. For cleaning up footage or replacing specific elements without regenerating an entire clip, this is faster than traditional VFX workflows. Generation takes longer than HeyGen or Pika, typically 1 to 3 minutes per clip depending on duration and complexity. The output quality justifies the wait for professional production contexts, but for rapid iteration, it's slower than the other two platforms. Runway's output goes up to 4K on higher plans. For advertising, commercial production, and film work where resolution is a deliverable requirement, this matters. Clips are exported as video files that you bring into your editing software. Runway generates the visual assets, your editor assembles them. Where Runway has limits, it produces visuals, not spoken content. Any voiceover, narration, or dialogue in your final video needs to come from a separate tool. And while individual clips can be stunning, maintaining visual consistency across a long-form production, consistent character appearance, consistent environment, consistent lighting, requires careful prompting and manual curation. Runway is a clip generator, not a fully automated long-form video producer. Pricing starts at $15 a month on the standard plan. Pika, the social media effects platform. Pika is the platform you use when you need video content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Fast, visually engaging, effects-driven content that works in a 9:16 vertical format and grabs attention in the first 2 seconds. Go to pika.art and log in. The interface is cleaner and more minimal than Runway's. In the center of the screen you have a prompt bar and a generation button. Below that are your aspect ratio options. Click the 9:16 option to set your video to vertical social media format before you generate. Type your prompt in the prompt bar. Click Generate, and Pika delivers a video clip in under a minute, significantly faster than Runway. The generation speed is a core design priority. For social media creators, producing multiple pieces of content per week and iterating quickly on what's working, the fast turnaround means you can generate, evaluate, and adjust without waiting. The standout feature is peak effects. a set of stylized transformation effects that no other platform in this comparison offers. To use them, generate your initial clip or upload an image, then look for the Pika Effects panel on the right side of the editor. The effects available include Melt, which makes the subject and scene appear to liquefy and melt downward. Explode, which generates the subject breaking apart into fragments. Morph, which transforms the subject into a different object or environment mid-clip. Inflate, which gives objects an exaggerated balloon-like expansion. Select an effect, click Apply, and Pika re-renders the clip with the effect applied. These effects are not trying to be photorealistic. They're stylized, exaggerated, and intentionally dramatic, which is exactly what performs on TikTok and Reels. A product that explodes into fragments, a logo that melts, a scene that morphs from one environment to another. These are the kinds of visuals that stop a scroll. Runway's output looks more cinematic. Pika's output looks more viral. The mobile-first design means the platform is usable on a phone without needing a desktop browser. For creators who manage their entire content workflow from a phone, this is a practical advantage. Where Pika has limits, it is not a precision tool. You have less control over specific camera movement, character consistency, and long-form visual coherence than Runway offers. The output is optimized for short, punchy clips rather than sustained cinematic sequences. If you need a 30-second ad with a controlled camera move and a consistent character across multiple shots, Pika is not the right tool for that. If you need a 5-second transition effect for a TikTok video, it's the fastest way to get there. Pricing starts at $8 a month on the standard plan, the lowest entry point of the three platforms. Head-to-head on the decisions that matter. Let's go through the specific factors directly. Output type. HeyGen produces avatar talking head video. Runway produces generative cinematic footage. Pika produces stylized, effects-driven social clips. These are three different things. If you know what type of output your project requires, this single factor makes the decision for most people. Realism. HeyGen is the most realistic for talking head presentation. The avatar looks and sounds like a real person delivering a script. Runway is the most realistic for generative footage. Environments, objects in motion that look like they were captured on a real camera. Pika is intentionally stylized and does not prioritize photorealism. Control over output. Runway has the most precise controls: camera movement, motion parameters, Act 2 performance mapping. HeyGen is largely text-driven. You write the script and the platform handles the avatar delivery. Pika sits in between. You prompt the scene and select effects, but granular camera control is limited. Speed. Pika generates fastest. HeyGen is moderate, a few minutes per video depending on length. Runway is the slowest, with generation times that increase with clip complexity. Language and multilingual content. HeyGen leads by a significant margin, with 175+ languages and lip-sync translation built into the core workflow. Runway and Pika have no built-in language or voice management. Social media optimization. Pika is built for it. 9:16 format, fast generation, Pika effects designed for viral content. HeyGen and Runway both support vertical format, but are not optimized for it. Pricing. Pika is cheapest at $8 a month. Runway is $15. HeyGen is $29 for the creator plan. The custom avatar one-time fee on HeyGen is an additional $99. The decision maps directly to what you're making. Choose HeyGen if you need a virtual spokesperson delivering a script for marketing videos, explainers, multilingual campaigns, training content, or faceless YouTube channels. If a talking avatar is the format, HeyGen is the platform. Choose Runway if you're producing high-end advertising, short film content, commercial B-roll, or any video that requires cinematic visual quality, controlled camera movement, and generative scene creation. If the footage itself is the product, Runway is the platform. Choose Pika if you're a social media creator or manager producing content for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, where speed, stylized effects, and vertical format optimization matter more than photorealistic precision. If viral social content is the goal, Pika is the platform. The most capable production teams in 2026 use more than one of these. HeyGen for spokesperson and explainer content. Runway for the cinematic elements around it. Pika for fast social derivatives of the same campaign. They sit in the same production pipeline without overlapping. Hit the like button and subscribe if this helped. Drop a comment with what you're producing, and I'll tell you which one fits.